Whatever activity we are doing in this world, if we are doing out of our joy, out of our happiness, then it can turns out to be a something very wonderful, meaningful and fulfillment. Because when we are doing something, out of our joy and happiness, then we are becoming one with that activity. We are not becoming that time separate from that activity. That activity is become us. That activity becomes a very way to dissolve our own existence and dissolve our own being. When we are doing something out of our willingness, out of our joy, out of our happiness, then that becomes our own way of dissolving our own existence, and something wonderful and phenomenal only can happen when we can dissolve our existence and we can hit that peak of that particular activity we are doing. So this is very much important, that we are doing something out of our own willingness, because willingness is the way to become one with life, to become whatever we are performing, our activity, anything we are doing. And whenever we are doing out of our unwillingness, that turns out become something ugly, that turns out become our burden in our life. So this is very much important. Unwillingness is not the way forward. Willingness is the only way forward in our life to become doing anything significant, meaningful and out of our own life. So whatever you are doing in your life, maybe it is not that some work is big and some work is small, some activity is big and some activity is small. If nothing is big and small, it is our devotion to our willingness to that work which is make something is good, something to be wonderful. There is nothing as such things as good or bad. It is only exist in our mind. Only willingness is the only way forward. Thank you so very much and namaskar.